all of you. Welcome back to Vectors Bridge Course. In the last class, we were discussing about the triangle of vector addition with the first definition and second definition. In first definition, continuation part of this polygon law. So today we'll be seeing how we can derive a polygon law and what is the difference between triangle law and the parallelogram law. Already we discussed the difference. Just if you want to convert a triangle law into, okay, so triangle law into uh, parallelogram law, then what to do, parallel shift you have to do, and we can calculate the resultants as well as the magnitude for that resultant magnitude. Now let me start polygon law. So polygon law. What is the difference between triangle law and parallelogram law and polygon law? Triangle law and parallelogram law can be applied only when there is a two vectors. Okay, if it is more than two vectors, then how we can apply polygon law? Let us discuss. Now, let me take one vector. This is nothing but A. This is vector A. One more vector I am taking, vector B. This is vector B. One more vector I am taking, vector C. One more vector I am taking a vector D. Right. I have more than two vectors. I am taking four vectors. Now, using the concept of parallel shift, what I'll do is concept of parallel shift, just to move this one. So moving the straight direction here, then otherwise I can show here using the parallel shifts. One A वेक्टर now, उसके बाद में देखो B वेक्टर आ गया, पैरेलल शिफ्ट करा मैं, उसके बाद में C वेक्टर को लेके आइए, उसके बाद में C वेक्टर आ गया, उसके बाद में D वेक्टर को लेके आइए. So this nothing but D vector, right? Now the resultant always, even in triangle of vector addition, this is one order. A, B, C and D vectors are taken in one order, which is in anti-clockwise direction. The closing side of this resultant will be the closing side or reverse order. Given the answer, closing side of this. Very good. It's nothing but resultant. Now, how to find the resultants? For example, if I take triangle of vector addition, A vector, then I am taking B vector. If I ask you what is the resultant of these two vectors, one should say that it should start from tail and at the head of this one, B vector. So this will be the resultants. Am I right? Now resultant can be written as R equals to A plus B. Am I right? R is equal to A plus B because 1, 2. Whatever we are taking in one order, additors, and whatever we are taking reverse order, that will be the resultant. R is equal to A plus B. This already we discussed. Now, in this one, if I would like to write the resultant of this one, resultant can be written as directly A plus B plus C plus D. How we can write that one? See, with respect to triangle only, we'll be writing. Let me show the proof of R is equal to A plus B plus C plus D. Now, can you see, if I take here, I'll make two triangles in the total three triangles I'll make in this diagram. First, I'll join A and B, two vectors by resultant R1. Are you able to see one triangle? Now, can anybody tell what is R1 now? So R1 is the resultant of A and B, right? So what is R1? कोई है बोल सकते? R1 is A plus B. Srija, Mansi given A plus B. Very good. Lohit also given. Now R1 equal to A plus B आ गया, right? Okay. Carefully observe. I am applying only triangle law of vector addition. देखिए ट्राइंगल लॉ में कैसे ले रहे हैं हम लोग, ए एंड बी जो ऑर्डर में ले रहे, ओके, ए प्लस बी लगाओ, उसका रिवर्स ऑर्डर जो ले रहे वो है रिजल्टेंट. दैट्स व्हाट रिजल्टेंट. Okay, coming back to this one more triangle I'll draw like this. Now are you able to see? Let me take R2. Can anybody tell what is R2? One vector, two vectors, R1 and C. Okay, so R1, what is R2? Very good. R2 is nothing but R1 plus C. So कैसे ऐड कर रहे सर? See देखिए 1 2 which is taken in the same order, okay, which is equals to the reverse order of that magnitude. So here R is equals to क्या लिख सकता हूँ मैं? R1 plus C. खत्म हो गया. R1 plus C. So now R2 equal to R1 plus C आ गया. देखिए, so R2 equal to क्या है? R1 A plus B plus C आ गया. R2 is R1 plus R2 plus C. Right. Next. Now between this triangle, see this is first triangle, second triangle, finally third triangle. Now if I want this resultant, देखिए, see one vector, two vectors, R2 and D, which are taken in the same order, then R should be taken in reverse order. This will be the resultant of it, right? So now I'll be writing here R equals to R2 plus D. Am I right? So R equals to R2. R2 क्या है? R1 plus C plus D. R1 क्या है फिर? R is equals to R1 is A plus B plus C plus D. Like this, we have to add all the vectors. Just transforming the divide and rule policy, like British. Okay. Meghana, right? First, A and B is there. A and B. Fine. So A and B का resultant calculate कर रहे R1. R1 is A plus B. उसके बाद में I'm going to this one. So here R2 can be written as R1 plus C. R1 plus C. उसके बाद में मैं जा रहा हूँ इधर R2 plus D is nothing but R. So वही substitute कर रहा हूँ इधर. R is equal to R2 plus D. R is equal to R1 plus C plus D. उसके बाद में क्या substitute कर रहा हूँ मैं? R is equal to A plus B plus C plus D. Is it okay? Okay, Meghana. So till here, any doubts? Let me know. Somebody posting some doubts. So what is that? Let me know. Yes. R2 is R plus D. R2 is R plus D. Not R is equal to R plus D. See this 1, 2, right? 1, 2. Okay. This is a concept. This is nothing but a concept. There is no particular problem. If he has given the problem, we'll be discussing. We'll discuss in once the chapters are started. Fine. This is the derivation. Yeah, this is the derivation only. Simply how we can add by using a triangle law of vector addition with respect to polygon law. R1 plus C. D is, this is nothing but not opposite. See 1, 2, 1, 2. They go. These two are in same order, reverse order, like this. In an order, we are taking R2 and R is taken in an order. This is nothing but a reverse order, which will give the magnitude. देखिए, ये समझो. This is nothing but 1. This is nothing but 2. 1, 2 to be added to get the resultant of this. Anybody, any doubts till now? Shall we move to the next? Sir, what is the first chapter? First chapter will be kinematics. You can take a screenshot of you or done. This is the formula for polygon law. This is the formula for polygon law. But you have to very careful that how we are adding. Right? Vaishnavi, Kanti Sri Vaishnavi, done. Shall we? Chale, take a screenshot fast. Don't post any other doubts unrelated to this one, right? Schedules, timetables, everything will get to you by the management. Fine. Okay. Other is now. Next, multiplication of vectors. Second concept. Yeah, these are the concepts that we are going to discuss. Polygon law, multiplication of vectors, finding the angle between two vectors. So multiplication of vectors. First, if I give scalar into scalar, what I'll get? Can anybody tell? Scalar into scalar, क्या आ जाएगा? It is nothing but scalar. It's nothing but scalar, right? How sir? Scalar into scalar. Two table पढ़ा ना? Two twos क्या हो रहा? 4. 2 is a scalar. 2 is a scalar which is getting 4. It doesn't only have magnitude. Okay. उसके बाद में scalar into vector. Scalar into vector. अब बोलिए scalar into vector is a vector or a scalar? It is a vector. Most of them saying it is a vector. So majority of students is vector, might be it is correct. Let's take this nothing but vector. Sir, how sir? बहुत सारे लोगों को डाउट रहता पहले पूछने के लिए रेडी हो जाए सर हाउ सर इन एग्जांपल या ले लेंगे एग्जांपल लेट मी टेक वेक्टर ए इक्वल्स टू I cap plus J cap plus K cap. So what is the dimensions of this vector? Can you tell me? कौन सा 1 dimension, 2 dimension or 3 dimension? Very good. It is 3 dimension, right? So 3 dimension you can take 1 dimension, you can take 2 dimension. The maximum 3 dimension I'm taking here. Okay. Now this vector, this is a vector. Now it has to multiply it with a scalar. अब क्या करता हूं मैं देखिए स्केलर इनटू वेक्टर which is nothing but scalar कौन सा भी ले लो ओके योर लकी नंबर ले लो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है राइट आई विल बी टेकिंग 5 5 is a scalar into given vector is I cap plus J cap plus K cap सही है ना अब क्या बन जा रहा देखिए सो हाँ scalar means number prism so 5i plus 5j plus 5k हो गया ना nothing but again a vector this is prose done all of you yes no बोलिए जल्दी yes take a screenshot I'll erase move to the next concept next see वेक्टर इंटू वेक्टर, वेक्टर इंटू वेक्टर, मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ वेक्टर इंटू वेक्टर। अब क्या आ जाएगा बोलिए? वेक्टर इंटू वेक्टर। स्केलर, कोई बोल रहे स्केलर, कोई बोल रहे, बहुत जने बोल रहे, थोड़े लोग वेक्टर बोल रहे, थोड़े लोग स्केलर बोल रहे। लेट अस सी, two possibilities are there. So one is scalar, the other is vector, the other is vector. One is scalar, the other is vector. Okay. So scalar products is nothing but scalar products, and here it is vector products. This is also called a dot products, dot product. This is also called a cross products, cross products. Okay. So cross product is not there in our syllabus in bridge course. Only dot product or scalar products, right? Okay. Now how to represent? If I have two vectors A and B vectors are there, right? Then dot product means A dot B, like this. A dot B representation. This is cross product A cross B, right? This is A cross. This is dot product. This is nothing but cross. This is cross. It's nothing but dots. Is it clear this one? Dot will be followed, right? Not both are same, both are different. Srija. So now dot products. Okay. Last exam. Okay. So dot product is nothing but cross product. This is the last class we have to discuss, but it was given in examination means. So they are confused with the syllabus maybe, right? Okay. Is it done till this point? This we have to discuss now. What is scalar product, right? How to find the magnitude? Magnitude, Pratik? Magnitude कैसा? Magnitude calculate कर सकते हैं ना? 2-dimensional का magnitude, 3-dimensional का magnitude. Previous question क्या है? Magnitude बोलिए, प्रतीक बोलिए. A plus B plus C plus D. See, he'll be giving A vector, B vector, C plus D vector. Add all the vectors. You may get a 2-dimensional vector or 1-dimensional vector or 3-dimensional vector. खत्म हो गया किसका? Vectors only 1, 2 and 3D types. Already मैं पढ़ा चुका हूँ आपको कैसा कैलकुलेट करना होता है. ओके. A plus B करो, A minus B करो, तुम्हारे को रिजल्टेंट जो आएगा उसका मैग्नीट्यूड ले लो, बस हो गया. क्या प्रतीक समझ गया? समझ रहे प्रतीक? No response. Okay, fine. So let us this part, then we'll move to the next. Right. अब देखो. So what is the dot products? What is dot products? Let me go with the dot products. Right. Dot product is nothing but a vector multiplied with vector. We have to get a scalar quantity. Scalar means it is a number like 1, 2, 3, so like. Right. How to solve it? How to solve it? Now, first let me take two vectors. Two vectors. First, this is vector A, and vector B. This is nothing but angle theta. Right. Let us take this is along x-axis. Along x-axis. So to find resultant, what I have to apply? If I want to find resultant, what should I apply? Can anybody tell? कोई है दमदार वाला? Parallel shift. अरे parallel shift मानसी और कोई parallelogram law of vector addition, अनिरुद्ध रामकृष्णन इज द करेक्ट आंसर। क्या भाई देख रहे नहीं आप? पढ़ना चाहिए बेटा। So when two are starting from the same point and making an angle theta, then parallel shift काय के लिए? उदित गांगुल, parallel shift काय को? There two are making an angle theta, okay, starting from tail to tail, parallelogram law of vector खत्म हो गया। parallel shift का जरूरत ही नहीं, it's not parallel shift, parallelogram law of vector addition। okay, चलो। Now second question, I would like to ask second question, question number 2। In these two vectors, I can resolve a vector into components. Which vector into components, or how many vectors into components? In these two vectors can be resolved into components, or one vector resolved into component and no vectors resolved into components. So most of them saying that B, very good। आपको बहुत नॉलेज आ गया, वेक्टर्स के बारे में बहुत सारी नॉलेज आ गया। बी, ओके, सो बी यू आर टेलिंग मीन्स ऑलरेडी you have a concept of vector is making an angle theta with x-axis can be resolved into two components. So it can be resolved into two components. ऐसा one component, let us take by components, one component along this direction, सही बात है ना? Along this direction is nothing but bx, by, bx, by। bx is in which direction? कौन सा डायरेक्शन पे है? डायरेक्शन ऑफ इधर ऑलरेडी a वेक्टर है along x direction, along I, but already one vector is there. Which direction? Vector a है। This vector a along the direction of vector a. Vector a is along I direction and it is along x direction। 1, 2, 3 all are correct answers, right? Multi correct answer। Now bx, can anybody tell what is bx? Can anybody tell what is bx? बोलिए क्या है bx? bx क्या है? तो बोल सकते bx b cos theta, okay, b cos theta, okay। by समझ गया, by क्या हो गया? b sin theta बन जाएगा। so bx is b cos theta, by is b sin theta, okay। उसके बाद में देखिए what is a dot product, how to define dot product? It is the product of vector a and component of vector b, vector a and component of vector b। so here a dot b is equals to, right, vector a dot b or a scalar product। vector a as it is you keep it as vector a, right? Then component of vector b along which direction? A direction, which is nothing but bx or a b cos theta। so now I can write vector a is equal to, this is magnitude of a, magnitude of b cos theta। समझ गया सब लोग? What is the dot product? If I ask dot product, what is your definition? It is the product of vector A and component of vector B, component of vector B, component of vector B, vector A and component of vector B। देखिए vector A and component of vector B खत्म हो गया। In which direction we have to take component? Along A direction। along which direction? A direction we have to take। is it clear? Yes, all of you? so what we are getting, a dot b is equal to a magnitude of a, magnitude of b cos theta। so why I am taking magnitude? because this is nothing but a scalar product, it will have only magnitude। Okay, with examples we can see. If you take a dot product, always will get a number. Done. Bx cos theta, sir. Bx is Bx. This is nothing but adjacent side ना. You are absent, huh? Okay. फिर समझाना पड़ेगा ये पूरा. Resolving a vector सीजा resolving vector से आ जाएगा. So this will be resolved, right? So Harika madam follow up. There is no problem. Huh? Fine. अब क्या है, खाली आप ये याद रखना बस. A dot B is equal to A magnitude B cos theta. खत्म हो गया. Okay. I'll tell afterwards, Sarika madam. Done this one. Take a screenshot. 30 seconds. Then we'll move. Sir, give the questions related to the yeah बेटा वही करने जा रहे हैं हम लोग अभी. Done. चलो. I'll erase this one. चलो bye. अब dot product का. So what is dot product? बोलते immediately dot product of two vectors. क्या याद रखना आप? A dot B equals to magnitude of A magnitude of B cos theta. खत्म हो गया. Right? इसके ऊपर कैसा प्रॉब्लम्स? ओके, कैन बी नेगेटिव. अभी नेगेटिव कैसे जा रहे भैया? नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा टायरो. So A dot B is equal to magnitude of A magnitude of B cos theta. Okay, चलो. Now if I want between unit vectors, dot components along unit vectors. See, I'll write vector A dot B equals to magnitude of A magnitude of B cos theta. First question number 1. If A is equals to I cap, this is unit vector 1 into I cap, 1 into I cap, and B equals to 1 into I cap, right? So what is the angle between these two vectors? Try to calculate first question. Next, vector A equals to 1 into J cap, vector B equals to 1 into J cap. Next, vector A is equal to 1 into K cap, vector B is equals to 1 into K cap, right? Between these two, what is the dot product? What is the dot product? Between these two, what is the dot product? Between these two, what is the dot product? Let me know. First, for this question number 1, 2, and 3. Let me take. First one, right? If I want A dot B, here I'll write instead of I dot I, right? Equal to. Is it clear this one? A dot बदले में क्या लिख रूँ मैं? I dot I. Okay. Equals to magnitude of A. सब लोग follow हो रहा? Just I am solving first question. Everybody, see carefully. इधर उधर नहीं देखना, right? Okay. So I dot I. So I का magnitude similarly I'll write here I का magnitude into cos theta. Next, equal to what is the magnitude of I? Can anybody tell? What is the magnitude of I? कोई है? Magnitude of I क्या है? 1 है. It is a unit vector. Okay. That is 1 into, again magnitude of unit vector is 1 into cos theta. Can anybody tell now what is the value of theta between I and I? I and I. Parchi, 0. Yashas, 0. Sunidhi, 0. 0, 0, 0, 0. Very good. Because I is in X direction and again one I is also in X direction. Two I's are in X direction. The angle between them is 0. Then what I can write here? Cos 0. Cos 0 का क्या हो जाएगा? 1 हो जाएगा. So 1 into 1 into 1 क्या बन जा रहा है? देखो 1 into 1 into 1 3 बनता क्या 1. That means I dot I equals to 1. समझ गया सब लोग? This one how I calculated? Everybody? कोई doubt till now? Anybody? No doubts. Can you tell J dot J क्या बन जाएगा? J dot J. सब लोग J dot J. Very good. J dot J. J dot J B1 बन जाएगा. Okay. Can you tell me K dot K क्या बन जाएगा? Very good. K dot K. K dot K 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 number 1. चलो. This is what like this. 1 ये 1 like this. 1 1 1 1 1. Okay. उसके बाद में देखिए. So I dot I is equal to 1. J dot J is equal to 1. K dot K is equal to 1. Okay. How did I take J and K as 1? J and K किधर ले लिए बेटा? J and J है. K and K is 1. Right? दिख रहे हैं बोर्ड पे? दिख रहे नहीं? हाँ. नहीं दिख रहे? Not able to see. Ashwat. I dot I. J dot J. K dot K. Are you able to see? Ashwat. I is 1. Yeah. How I is 1? Arey Ashwat. Huh? Ayush Patik, I did not understand. I dot I. I dot I. I dot I. Magnitude I, cos theta. Magnitude of I. What is I? I vector, unit vector. Unit vector is nothing but which has magnitude 1. So 1 वही ले लिया मैं. उसके बाद में 1 ले लिया. उसके बाद में cos theta. Cos theta. Theta बोले तो देखिए orthogonal vectors. This is x I और एक I. Both are in x direction. X direction का theta क्या हो जाएगा? 0 बन जाएगा. And if I ask I and J का बीच में कितना रहेगा एंगल? I and J का बीच में कितना रहेगा? 90 degrees. Now you understood what is the result we got? I dot I equal to J dot J equals to K dot K equals to 1. That's all. You understood this one? All of you? अब क्या कर सकते हैं? Reverse of that one. I J and J K, K I will be doing. Everybody? Got it? Chalo. Now, we'll go with now instead of I, A, I'll be taking I, J, I cap, dot J cap. A is I, B is J. अब बोल सकते क्या? What is the magnitude of A? Magnitude of I क्या है? Magnitude of I बेटा. Magnitude of I. Nothing. Magnitude of I. Magnitude of I is how much? 1. उसके बाद में magnitude of J. Magnitude of J क्या है? 1. उसके बाद में बोल सकते हैं I and J का बीच में एंगल कितना रहेगा? What is the angle between I and J? 90 degrees. So cos 90. Here I'll be substituting cos 90. Cos 90 का वैल्यू कितना? 0. So I dot J equal to 0. सब लोग समझ गया till here? Anybody have any doubts? समझ गया सब लोग? श्रद्धा, उदित, श्रीजा, यशस, no doubts. Shal, no sir, got it. Swansea, Shal, Udit, no doubts. Parsi, Oh, I gave first only. Very good. Nishan, okay. Vidula, got it, no doubt. Very good. Chal. Now, just to see here and tell me the answer. All of you. Aisha Fatima, okay. Now you see and tell me the answer. J dot K का बीच में, what will get the result? J and K. Vishal 0, Mansi 0, Ramakrishna 0. Why? Because J and K also magnitudes are 1, but angle between them is how much? 90 degrees. Cos 90 क्या बन जाएगा? 0. So this nothing but 0. समझ गया ना? और K cap K into I cap. Can you tell me K into I cap क्या बन जाएगा? बोलिए. K into I cap. Again it will become what? 0. 1, 2, 3, 0. So finally I can give here I dot K, I dot J or J dot K is equal to K dot I is equal to 0. I J J K K I. Anything if you reverse also. How to find angle between two vectors? X and Y axis. X and Y axis के बीच में angle कितना रहेगा बेटा? 90 degrees always. Fine. All of you. Yes, understood. Now can you do a problem? Shall I give a problem based on find the angle between two vectors? So today's exam they will ask to find one question will be there. Find the angle between two vectors. Okay. So let me give the question. Shall I erase this one? Take a screenshot. अब देखिए. Here, if I ask to find, I'll give one example first. Then I'll ask you to calculate. Yeah, it can be J dot K or K dot J. Both will be same beta. कुछ भी नहीं होता. Huh? So both will be same. If I want to calculate angle between two vectors, cos theta is equal to cross multiply. That's nothing but A dot B by magnitude of A, magnitude of B. A dot B divided by magnitude of A, magnitude of B. Right. So what angle? अब देखिए मैं एक प्रॉब्लम करता हूँ और मैं I'll give an question for you. So vector A equal to I cap plus J cap plus K cap. Vector B equals to 2I cap plus 2J cap plus 2K cap. If it is given, let us imagine it's an example problem. If we ask you to calculate angle between two vectors, अगर वो पूछ रहा तुम्हारे को हाउ टू फाइंड एंगल बिटवीन टू वेक्टर्स, अब क्या 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 कैसे करना देखिए. फर्स्ट cos थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू, पहले वेक्टर ए लेके इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, वेक्टर बी लेके इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. सो यू नो टू कैलकुलेट द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ इट्स. मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए कितना आता बोलिए. सब लोग कैलकुलेशन में आता ना मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ 3 डायमेंशनल वेक्टर आता नहीं बोलिए. So what is the answer for the magnitude? Root 3 under root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. तो पता है ना मीनाक्षी, सुनिधा, root 3, Udit Gangoli, root 3 under root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square under root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. It's nothing but root 3. उसके बाद में what is the magnitude of B? Can anybody tell what is the magnitude of B? Under root of 2 square plus 2 square plus 2 square कितना बन जा रहा है बोलिए. 2 root 12. Root 12 can be written as कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 2 root 3 root 12 कैसा आ रहा देखो. Under root of 4 square plus 2 square plus 2 square plus 2 square, 4 plus 4 plus 4 under root of 12. 12 can be written as 2 root 3, 4 into 3, 2 root, right? Okay, magnitude calculator. उसके बाद में सो मैग्नीट्यूड्स आ गया हमारे को, मैग्नीट्यूड्स। सो मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए इज देयर, मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ बी ए, दोनों आ गया। अब इसका दोनों का डॉट प्रोडक्ट चाहिए हमारे को, डॉट प्रोडक्ट। सी फर्स्ट थिंग आई टोल्ड दैट डॉट प्रोडक्ट is always any two dot products. For example, if he is asking you to calculate only dot products, not angle, only dot product. Samjho dot product. What is the dot product of two vectors? So what I'll do is a dot b equal to a dot dot product. ये दोनों को सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, i प्लस j प्लस k कैप, इसको डॉट लगाओ इधर। डॉट लगाने के बाद और क्या लगाते हैं, 2i कैप प्लस 2j कैप प्लस 2k कैप। उसके बाद में अभी सीखे हम लोग i डॉट i क्या हो जाएगा, 1 हो जाएगा। i डॉट 2i, i डॉट i इज 1, सो 1 इंटू 2 कितना बन जाएगा बोलिए, 2, राइट, 2। तो उसके बाद में i डॉट j 0 विल बिकम्स i डॉट k विल बिकम 0, आंसर इज 6 ऑब्वियसली। प्लस j डॉट i क्या बन जाएगा, 0। सो j डॉट 2j, j डॉट 2j, j डॉट 2j, हाउ मच इट इज, j डॉट 2j इज नथिंग बट 2। प्लस उसके बाद में k डॉट k, k डॉट k क्या बन जा रहा आपको, k डॉट k इज नथिंग बट 2, टोटल क्या बन जा रहा, 6। So A dot B dot product of two vectors is a scalar quantity. This is one proof we got it as. Did not keep cos theta. No, cos theta नहीं, पहले A dot B कैलकुलेट करा, A पार्ट हो गया पहला, उसके बाद में cos ये दोनों 1 2 3 इंडिविजुअली I calculated. See A dot B calculated, A dot B calculated, A dot B अशुद्ध, A dot B, A dot B, A dot B अश्रुत, A dot B, A dot B, A dot B कैसा कैलकुलेट कर रहा हूं मैं, I इंटू 2, I इंटू 2I, I इंटू 2I, otherwise you can write like this, 2I into I, right, plus 2 into J plus 2 into K। अब देखो अश्रुत, 2 into I plus 2 into I, 2 into K। आ गया अश्रुत, आया। So then what we are getting, 2 plus 2 plus 2, right। Now क्या करें, इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, A dot B आ गया, मैग्नीट्यूड A is there, मैग्नीट्यूड B is there, सब्स्टिट्यूट करो now, cos theta is equals to A dot B कितना आया, 6 आया, 6 divided by, उसके बाद में what you are getting, what you got here, A magnitude of a √3 into और क्या आ रहा तुम्हारे को, 2√3, so 2 into √3, समझ गया। So what we are getting, 6 divided by 2 into √3 क्या बन जा रहा, √3 into √3, so 3 into 2 6, एक गया, 1 आ गया, cos theta is equal to 1, cos theta is equal to 1, theta is equals to how much it is, क्या है, 0 degree, between this 0 degree। Is it clear all of you? चलो, now I'll give a question, is it clear all of you, have you understood? Yes, crystal clear, done, very good, yes, yes, okay। Now I'll give second question to you, vector A equal to I cap plus J cap, vector A is equal to I cap plus J cap, and vector B is equals to again I cap plus J cap, right, I cap plus J cap। Now can anybody tell the answer, what is the angle between two vectors, I cap plus J cap, I cap plus J cap, B is nothing but I cap plus J cap। Sarchi, Sadhi, nothing but 0 degrees, 0 degrees, 0 degrees. The answer is 0 degrees. Yes. Got confidence how to calculate angle between two vectors. Yes. Yes. Now you can take one more. A is equal to I cap plus 3j cap. B equals to 2I cap plus j cap. A is equal to I cap plus 3j cap. B is equal to I cap plus Kaushal disconnected. This got it, no Kaushal? This you got A dot B is equal to 6 and A dot B is 6 and cos theta. And magnitudes, how we find Kaushal? Magnitudes Kaushal? Magnitude same. Magnitudes जो है ना वो सेम जो हम लोग पढ़ा है ना सेम थिंग वी कैलकुलेटेड हियर. 53 डिग्रीज बोल रहे. ये कौशल ये सुनो आपको कुछ फायदा होगा. अब नेटवर्क के हिसाब से यू शुड बी केयरफुल. व्हाई? बिकॉज if you are disconnected you cannot understand, or if you miss any class you can't understand, right? So once we start the classes from 23rd onwards, if you miss any single class next day you can't understand physics class or any other class, right? Fine. A is equal to I cap plus 3j cap, B is equal to I cap plus j cap. अब कैसा कैलकुलेट करें? पहले क्या करता हूँ मैं, A डॉट B कैलकुलेट करो. A डॉट B I plus 3j dot 2I plus j cap, right? Now A dot B equals to I dot 2I, right? खाली क्या करो 1 into 2 करो बस हो जाता. फर्स्ट वाला से फर्स्ट वाला I to I मल्टीप्लाई करो, J to J मल्टीप्लाई करो, खत्म हो गया. दैट इज 1 into 2, दिस इज प्लस 3 into 3 आया. सो व्हाट इज A dot B equals to 5. सब लोग आया. A dot B is equal to 5. एवरीबॉडी. कौशल समझ गया इधर? कौशल है? यस यस, वेरी गुड. राइट. अब क्या करना? मैग्नीट्यूड कैलकुलेट करना. मैग्नीट्यूड देखो, हाउ टू कैलकुलेट मैग्नीट्यूड्स. अंडर रूट ऑफ 1 square plus 9 and magnitude of b is under root of 4 plus 1. अब ये क्या बन जा रहा? रूट 10 बन जा रहा. ये क्या बन जा रहा? रूट 5. नाउ यू कैन सब्स्टिट्यूट देयर. नाउ cos थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू a डॉट b का वैल्यू क्या है? 5 डिवाइडेड बाय रूट 10 into root 5. This is once root 5 times. That is 5 can be written as root 5 into root 5. 5 can be written as what? Root 5 into root 5. Once root 5. Now cos theta is equals to root 5 divided by root 10. This can be written as 1 by क्या बन रहा था बोलिए? अंडर रूट ऑफ क्या? So this nothing but cos theta is equals to completely root लगाओ 5 by 10 बन जाता 1 by 2. So this nothing but 1 by root 2 बन जाता. 1 by root 2, right? 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 का वैल्यू कितना आ रहा आपको? 45 डिग्रीज. Got it सब लोग? एक लास्ट प्रॉब्लम ले लेते. कॉन्सेप्शनल क्वेश्चन कैसा पूछते? एक एंट्रेंस का क्वेश्चन लेता. ओके, विल टेक वन एंट्रेंस क्वेश्चन. We will ask, let me take A is equals to I cap plus J cap, B equals to or 2I cap plus 2J cap or 3J cap, right? Or we'll take this one as a 3 and this nothing but 4, right? Two vectors I took. A is equals to I cap plus J cap and B is equal to 3I cap plus 4J cap. अब क्या पूछता हूँ? Find a vector. Conceptual question. Concepts. Find a vector, okay, which has same magnitude of B and same direction of A and same direction of A. So this is the question asked in entrance question. Find a vector which has same magnitude of B and same direction of A. ये कैसे कैलकुलेट करें देखिए. All of you. First, find the vector. Let me take X. X is a vector. I don't know that vector. I have to calculate. Which has same magnitude of B and the direction of A. How to find the direction? That's what I meant. Magnitude of B and the direction of A. Direction means we'll be giving unit vector of this one. Unit vector, that's nothing but into unit vector. Unit vector will give the direction and B vector will give the magnitude. For 5y plus 5j. Give an answer. Let me see. So magnitude of B unit vector. पहले magnitude of B calculate करो. Magnitude of B. What you'll get magnitude of B? Can anybody tell? Magnitude of B क्या आ जाएगा? Magnitude of B is 5. Okay. अब क्या calculate कर रहे? Question देखो. Somebody saying that not understood. See the question. Question is given like this. So which has same magnitude of B and same direction of A. Magnitude of B into direction. अगर तुम्हारे को कौन सा भी direction चाहिए, okay, with respect to the magnitude of another vector, just multiply with a unit vector. Unit vector, okay, magnitude of B, we are getting magnitude of B is equals to under root of 3 square, that is 9 plus 16 under root of 25, this is nothing but 5. We're getting 5. Next, magnitude of A, that is a unit vector. How to represent unit vector? Anybody? Unit vector is nothing but vector A divided by magnitude of A. Am I right? Vector A divided by magnitude of A. That is nothing but unit vector. A cap. This is nothing but A cap. Vector A divided by magnitude of A. अब क्या बन जाएगा देखिए. So vector A equals to unit vector. Vector A is nothing but I cap plus J cap divided by magnitude of this one. What is magnitude? Root 2. That's all. Take that and substitute here. So B I got. Now X is equal to B कितना है 5 into I cap plus J cap divided by root 2. That means X is equal to 5 by root 2 I cap plus 5 by root 2 J cap. This is nothing but the vector which he is asking. The vector which has same magnitude of B and same direction. So one more problem I'll give. Vector A is equals to I cap plus J cap. Vector B is equals to I cap plus J cap. Now just to try this problem and tell me the answer. Those who understood. No need to rationalize, Pratik. You can leave like that 5 by root 2 I plus 5 by root 2 J. Okay. Magnitude of B into A. Same magnitude. Magnitude is same and direction. Same question of first one. Yeah, same question. This is what the same question. A and B you take and calculate. What is the question? Question is find the vector which has same magnitude of B and same direction. What is the answer that you'll be getting? Let me know. I cap plus j cap. Very good. The answer for this question is I cap plus j cap. That is the final answer. Right. I cap plus j cap. Chalo. Fine. Correct. I cap plus j cap. All the best for the examination. Right. I think we have to move for the next class. So all the best, all of you. Right. A plus B. See, A minus B. टेस्ट पेपर में ए है तुम्हारा बी है, माइनस करो, ए माइनस बी सब्ट्रैक्ट करो तो एक वेक्टर आ जाता, वो वेक्टर का मैग्नीट्यूड कैलकुलेट कर, बस हो गया. ओके, गॉट इट. ए माइनस बी का प्रॉब्लम जो पोस्ट कर रहे हैं ना, ए को ले लो, बी को ले लो, सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के बाद जो तुम्हारे को वेक्टर आ जाएगा उसके वेक्टर को आप मैग्नीट्यूड कैलकुलेट करो, खत्म. फाइन. All of you, objective type only, objective type. Vector division. Is there any vector division? There is no vector division. Okay. Fine. All of you. Chalo. Yeah, I have next class. All the best to you. Fine. So whatever anything is missed here, just once when this topic will comes again in our 12th class, 11th class classes, we'll once again we'll have a recap of that particular topic and we'll move forward. No problem. So hopefully you understood that you should not miss any in between or any network problem is there, then it will be very difficult. Okay, go back because we should have a particular flow. Okay, we have a daily schedule also. Schedule will be there. According to the schedule we have to move. Fine. So we have to see all the technical issues in this regards, right? Fine. I love you. All the best. All the best. All the best. Bye. Okay. See you. All the best.